Hello, in this video we're going to go through the song, The Battle Belongs to the Lord, and we're going to sing it really, really slow, okay? And the point of that is, I'm going to assume that you've gone through the vocabulary and you've learned it. And that you've learned it in sentences and you know how to form the sentences. And you can do it at your own speed, okay? In this video, we're going to go through the song really, really slowly, but it's going to help you get a rhythm to the song. And I want you to really, really focus on getting your body involved with the song, okay? This is a song that has some movement to it, okay? I want you to focus on involving your face, involving your body, making your signs and placing them where they need to be to communicate the zeal of the song, okay? If you understand what I'm trying to say there. So as you go through this, I'm going to sing it really slow. I want you to follow along, but I want you to live the song and try to get that as part of it. Mouth the words, because we as hearing people, we have our facial expressions tied to our lips. That's just a fact, all right? If you take away our lips, our face just kind of goes blank. So you don't have to sing it out loud, but be using your voice or using your lips as you go through this, okay? Here we go. In heavenly armor we'll enter the land. The battle belongs to the Lord. No weapon that's fashioned against us will stand. The battle belongs to the Lord, and we sing glory, honor, power, and strength to the Lord. We sing glory, honor, power, and strength to the Lord. When the power of darkness comes in like a flood, the battle belongs to the Lord. He's raised up a standard, the power of his blood. The battle belongs to the Lord, and we sing glory, honor, power, and strength to the Lord. We sing glory, honor, power, and strength to the Lord. When your enemy presses in hard, do not fear. The battle belongs to the Lord. Take courage, my friend. Your redemption is near. The battle belongs to the Lord, and we sing glory, honor, power, and strength to the Lord. We sing glory, honor, power, and strength to the Lord. All right. I sped it up there just a little bit at the end because we've done that verse a few times. I'm hoping that you get this and get it well and get it done. I'm hoping a lot of you choose this song. This is one I like a lot. Anyway, see you there at LTC. Good luck.